Welcome to Ap4 Menu. Today we are going to see a crispy and instant snack recipe, Flattened Rice Vada or Aval Vada. It is such an easy recipe that whenever you have a sudden guest, you can make it instantly and surprise them with your cooking skills. Let's get started and check out the recipe. In a bowl, add 2 cups flattened rice or aval. Flattened rice comes in 3 different varieties: thin, thick and medium size. The flattened rice which I am using is a medium sized one. Wash the flattened rice well and soak it for about 15 minutes. If you are using the thin variety, then you can just wash and use it directly. Squeeze out the excess water completely and add the soaked flattened rice to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine paste. Do not add any water while you are grinding the mixture. The ground flattened rice paste will be very thick and sticky like this. Transfer the ground flattened rice paste to a bowl. Add about 1 spoon cumin seeds, 1 spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon chilli powder, 1 spoon grated ginger, 1 spoon green chilli paste, half cup finely chopped onions, 1 cup boiled and grated potato, finely chopped coriander leaves, salt as required, and mix everything well until all the ingredients are well combined. I have grated the potato in order to avoid lumps. Add in half cup rice flour little by little and start mixing the dough. The rice flour gives absolute crispy texture to the vadas. But if you add excess rice flour, then the taste may be spoiled. So add the rice flour little by little accordingly and mix well. See, the prepared dough should be nice thick like this. Grease your hands with some oil and start making vada patties. Take a small portion of dough and make it into small balls like this. Gently press the ball and close off any cracks if you observe, and roll it to a cutlet shape. Now make a small hole in the middle of the vada patty so that it cooks well in all sides and also looks so delicious. See, the vada patty is perfectly ready. Fry the prepared vada patties in the medium hot oil so that they cook slowly and completely. Do not flip the vadas immediately. Wait for a minute and then flip the vadas. If you flip the vadas immediately, then they may break. Fry the vadas until they are nice golden in color. See, once the vadas are completely cooked, they gently rise up and start floating on the surface of the oil. Your vadas are completely cooked. Remove it to a plate and serve it hot with any chutney of your preference or even sauce. Your crispy and delicious flattened rice vada or aval vada is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and enjoy with your friends and family. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.